Hi, Adam Morano with Citrix. What I'd like to do today is introduce you to Kerry Frank, CEO of Comply365. They're doing some really interesting integration with Citrix. So I'd like to have Kerry at this point actually give you an overview of Comply365.
Thanks, Adam. Comply365 is so excited to be a partner with Citrix. We are leveraging your mobile product and your XenApp. And so today we just want to share with you some of the very innovative things we're able to do with Citrix. Our company is able to leverage your mobility and your MDM solution that will now take it to another level by our system optimizing all your processes. So whether that's your content with workflow, forms, documents, communications, encrypted chat, we can do that because we're a Citrix partner and we have now full control of what's happening. I'm going to introduce you to our CTO, Dude, and he's going to show you some of the great innovative things we've been able to leverage.
Yeah. So again, Dude is a Comply365. We've been working with them actually extensively on some tight integration. I think you're going to like what you see.
All right, thank you, Adam. All right, so we've got a couple levels of integration, and the first is from the user aspect with XenMobile. So if we look here on the monitor, coming through the My Devices, so the user is now logged into the Comply365 system, and with a single sign-on authenticated with Comply, and now we are able to, through the SDKs that we've integrated with XenMobile, send commands and controls back and forth between XenMobile and the Comply365 system. So we can see here at the user level, the user can come into their My Devices menu, and we list out all the devices, mobile devices, that are registered with the XenMobile product. So we see here that we've got a couple different tools here, and one of them has a cellular signal as well, so we've got the IMEI number located. We can see over here on the right-hand side, now the user has control of being able to lock their device themselves. They no longer have to call IT corporate and be able to engage the administrator of the system to lock the device when it gets lost or stolen or whatever. But they also have the additional ability to wipe their device. So they can wipe their device themselves and completely wipe and keep all of the corporate data secured and controlled, and we no longer have that concern of devices being lost, left out at Starbucks or some other location that they were at, or their kids got into it, and so the secure data that's supposed to be there is no longer being exposed like it could have been, because they can very quickly and easily control and lock their device. Additional integrations that we're going to be working with is the other controls that XenMobile has, such as the geolocation and other aspects that XenMobile has made available to us through the SDKs and the APIs of that tool. Additionally, by utilizing XenApp, we've integrated with the mobile products. So some of our customers, what they have complicated situations with is delivering complex documents and complex materials out to their end users. And so in order to accomplish that, these mobile devices don't have the hardware capability to handle that. And so we leverage in our cloud infrastructure, utilizing Citrix as a platform, using the XenApp product to deliver out those complex documents. So we'll go ahead and we'll just launch this document here, and we'll see this is a 3D document. So we know typically getting this document down to the tablet is a difficult situation, but by using XenApp and leveraging it out of our cloud infrastructure, we can now deliver this complex document that's launching a PDF and is processing through what the client is needing to gain access to.
So literally what you're doing, Dude, here is you're launching a Windows XenApp right from an Android app, or a concept we call, you're one of the early adopters of creating a hybrid native app. So it's both a native Android app managed by XenMobile, which you can actually launch right into XenApp when you need the power of XenApp.
Exactly right. And you're accomplishing that all through by logging into the Comply365 system. So with Comply365, we have native mobile apps on all three platforms, Windows, Android, and in the iOS. And so with the XenApp being able to deliver out this 3D documentation, we can now manipulate this 3D document and turn it around to see all the different angles and everything that we might need to see. And the client usage for it is in aviation, which is one of our client bases. The mobile, the maintenance technicians needing to get access to complex documents that have all these layered devices. So, with the layered documents that have all the wiring diagrams that they need to remove layers for the 3D documents that they need to be able to spin and manipulate and view the different aspects. Utilizing XenApp to be able to deliver that has been a huge benefit for us.
Cool stuff. So there you see it. Comply365 using Citrix as a platform to satisfy customer requirements.